All right, let's try to factor 5x squared minus 13x plus 6. Do they have a greatest common factor we can take out first? Any number going to 5, 13, and 6? No. Do they all have an x? No. So we can't do anything to factor it that way. So we're going to have to multiply 5 times 6 is 30, and then that middle number, negative 13, goes in the bottom. And think of all the ways that multiply and make 30. 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. Can we get 13 out of any of these? Actually, both of these can give us 13, but only 3 and 10, making them both negative, would add up to negative 13 and multiply to make a positive 30. 30 is one of those that's a little bit tricky. Sometimes we can get stuck with the 3 and 10 and 2 and 15. Let's go ahead and put our first term in the first box, our last term in the last box, and take out the greatest common factor of each row and column. 5 goes into both of these, and they both have an x. These 3 goes into each one. They're not both negative, so let's not take a negative out. These both have an x, but there's no number that goes into 5 and 3. 10 and 6? Yeah, 2. And then we got to get some negatives somehow because we have negatives in here. So what if we make this negative 2? Negative 2 times 5 makes negative 10. But negative 2 times negative 3 would make positive 6. And watch what happens now. Negative 3 and x makes negative 3x. So there's our factors. X minus 2, 5x minus 3.